I'm going to show you here is how you can measure the range and bearing to targets. So, you can do this a couple of different ways. You can just take your cursor and you can put your cursor right where the target is. And when you do that, you can't see it down here. So keep your, I can't really show you this well. They'd have like a pointer, but if you look, I put the cursor right there. If you look down the bottom corner, look in the bottom right corner, this cursor position box, and you can see that the range, RNG, and the BRG are changing as I move the position of the cursor. So get the cursor right where the target is, and I can read the range is 9.9 and the bearing is 7.7. So that's about 10 miles at 7.8 degrees off the bow, and this is also true as well. Anyway, another way I could do this is I could turn on my EBL and I can also turn on my VRM. When I have them both on together, what I can do is I can grab where they intersect and I can stretch them out. Okay, now the EBL, okay, let me turn the VRM off here. This is the EBL, electronic bearing line, okay? All right. If I grab that little circle, I can swing this thing right around. And when you set this up, what you want to do is you want to put that right in the middle of the target, not on the left edge, not on the right edge of the target, right in the middle of the target. Okay. Then if I was to put on my VRM, I turn that on. That's this circle. Okay. And I can grab that. Okay. Oh, well, it doesn't seem to be adjusting anywhere. If I come over here, I can click on, if you look over here to the right where the cursor is, okay, I can click and slide my mouse around. I want to put that right on the inside edge, okay? And now that's telling me that that vessel is 7.8 nautical miles at 9.94. That's pretty much what the cursor told us as well. Okay, now if I want to do this target, I can adjust my EBL there, okay? And I put that right in the middle. And I can adjust my VRM right there, okay? Now so that one is 44 degrees at 10. I can also do this. If I grab right at that intersection, I can adjust both of them simultaneously, okay? So that means that target 3 is 134.8 at 5.9, and I can grab these guys. So you have a variety of ways of doing this. You can use the cursor, you can adjust these one at a time, or you can grab them where they intersect and you can adjust them simultaneously. Remember, the EBL goes in the middle of the target. The VRM goes on the inside edge of the target, not on the far side of the target, not in the middle of the target, on the inside edge of the target. Now, and just in the last couple of minutes here, I'm just going to show you a couple of other features, okay? First of all, there's this thing called center. Right now, we're in the center of the radar screen, but I can come over here and I can use max view, okay? And what that does is it extends my view ahead, but it decreases my view astern. So if this is still 12 miles, so if I put my range rings back on, you can see their strange shape now. This is actually the center of everything, okay? So now this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, okay? That's actually, if you look in the lower right corner, the cursor position, that's about 17 miles, okay? And back astern, okay, 2, 4, 6, okay? And I look over in the right-hand corner in the cursor position, you can see the numbers wiggling a little bit, okay? It looks to me like I have 6.6 miles astern. So that is max view, center view. If I click on center, it goes back to center again.